Welcome to your next home. A stunning rental at 1227 Meridian, where comfort meets style from the very first step inside. Step into a spacious living area filled with natural light, the perfect space to relax after a long day, or to host friends in style. The modern kitchen is designed with both beauty and function in mind. Sleek countertops, quality finishes, and plenty of space to cook, create, and entertain. Retreat to your cozy bedroom, where peace and privacy give you the perfect place to unwind every night. Space for work and play. The bathrooms offer modern fixtures and a clean, contemporary style, a refreshing space to start and end your day. From smart storage to thoughtful design details, every corner of this home has been built to make life easier and more enjoyable. Located in the heart of the city, you'll enjoy easy access to dining, shopping, and everything you need just minutes away. This is more than just a rental. It's a lifestyle waiting for you. Schedule your tour today at 1227 Meridian and make this space your new home.